OneDrive is where all your files are stored, or that's where you're supposed to be storing all your files. The reason you do this is that if anything happens to your iPad, you can still use it on any device. There are a few main sections of OneDrive. So there are all your files. So it has all your files and all the folders that you make. And then there's shared, so you can share documents with other people and then you can work on them together. Then libraries are where all your stuff from your classes are, like maybe your files in Teams, that kind of or thing. And then you can add other things. So you can upload photos. You can just take a picture from here and it'll automatically save here. You can create a folder, Word document, a PowerPoint. You can scan something, like if you did scratch paper and you wanted to submit it, and it's more viewable that way. So let's try it. So it automatically adjusts to whatever it is, but you can also fine tune it if it's slightly off. So you do that, and you can write on it if you want, or you can add text, and you can scan multiple pages. So I'll just do the back of this. See? And then you can hit done, and it'll save as a PDF. Like this. And you can rename it if you want. It was just easiest. Let's find it. Right here. See, it's a PDF now. So it's like that, like that. And then on OneDrive, you can also save PDFs and annotate them. So for example, teachers give you an assignment that's a PDF, you could just do it on here. So like, let's find one. Oops. Hi. And that's mostly how it works. And you can share any of these files with other people. You can go to any presentation or any file in general. And then you can hit that up arrow. And then you can either make it so people you specify can view, or anyone who goes to a school in Tucson Unified School District. So I'll just do that because, yeah. And then you can allow editing, so they can edit it or just so they can view it. So you can hit apply, and then you can just copy the link. Or if it's like a teacher, you can send it through Outlook.